Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can get your long twist using your normal short kinky hair. Yeah, so I already have the video of how you can get your kinky twist, so you guys should go check it out. So this is the normal gold kinky hair I'll be using for this tutorial. As we all know, why twisting this hair, we don't twist it tight unlike our normal braiding hair. So as such, joining hair is a very confusing part that so many of us doesn't know about. So I decided to film this short quick tutorial for you guys to know how you can join it to make your kinky longer. So I'll allow you guys to watch through and I'll be back. So get your kinky twist, and then how will I explain this? I don't really know how to explain this. I think it's self-explanatory. While watching it is very clear. Like you join two parts of the hair at each end, then attach it to your wig cap. I'm using a net for this tutorial, and then you start twisting. So guys, this is basically how you can get your long twist using the same kinky hair. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share the video, like. If you have any question, leave it on the comment box below and I'll sure attend to it. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.